For one-story buildings or top floor of multi-story buildings, we can use overhead openings. When applicable, horizontal openings such as skylights offer two significant advantages. First, they allow relatively uniform illumination over huge interior areas, while daylighting over the windows is limited to only about 15 feet perimeter zone only. Second, the horizontal openings also receive much more light than vertical surfaces. In multi-story buildings, parts of the structure can be used to reflect light indoors. The large window can be very nice, but are a potential source of glare. Light shelves prevent glare when placed just above eye level. If glazing is used below light shelf, it will be mainly for view. The light shelf acts as an overhang for this lower glazing to prevent direct sunlight from entering and creating puddles of sunlight at the perimeter. The overhang also reduces glare by blocking the view of the bright sky in the lower window. Glare from the upper window can be controlled by louvers or by additional light shelf on the inside, such as these. Light shelves will improve the quality of daylighting and increase the depth of the daylighting zone by improving the evenly quality throughout the room. For daylighting purposes, split blinds are often used. The top one for daylighting and the bottom one for glare control only. They are especially appropriate for the east and west facades because they can block the low sun. For each of the reflector elements, curved specular reflectors minimizing this problem by spreading the sunlight over a large part of the ceiling. The matte reflectors are also used for creating a very even distribution of light and are much less sensitive to sun angle. These types of blinds can be placed inside the double skin system, which is also called the smart facade, where the glazing is somewhat distanced apart, and the double skin system both protects the Venetian blinds and also allows natural ventilation. In all cases, the ceiling should be a diffusing reflector such as white paint. Still, the device reflecting light onto the ceiling could have a specular finish to maximize the depth of sunlight penetration. Building form determines how many windows can be placed on each orientation, or how many skylights or clerestory can be placed on the roof. Generally, for multi-story building, a 15 feet perimeter zone can be fully daylit, and another 15 feet beyond that can be partially daylit by the perimeter windows. In this case of building that is 100 feet by 100 feet in dimension, based on the schematic rule of 15 feet rule for assuming the daylit zone, 51% of space is considered to be a fully daylit. In order to increase this, we can utilize the atrium in the middle. Accommodating the atrium while achieving the same floor area will take up more site coverage area. You can notice that the building's overall dimension has increased as indicated. However, due to this atrium's existence, now 100% of area is fully daylit. This type of early stage decision making can frame the high level direction of the overall project, but you should remember that each different option has pros and cons.